going on, y'all? So we're gonna be testing out this tooth powder. I don't think I've really ever seen tooth powder. I don't even know. Like, this was so weird to me, but I was like, oh yeah, no, I definitely want to try this. The brand is Zion Health, and if you don't already know, I will have another video where I will be doing a review on face cream, basically not really like a lotion. I'll have this up if anyone's interested. So the company itself, they are based in the United States, so you don't have to really worry about it coming from like overseas or anything. Super big on just promoting natural products with natural ingredients. You know, really big fan of fluoride-free toothpaste products, and this tooth powder right here is gluten-free, fluoride-free, and vegan. So I want to say that they only had one flavor. I have no idea what I'm about to do. Sprinkle desired amount onto wet toothbrush and brush as normal. Do not swallow. A wet toothbrush. How do I? This thing should have came with a scooper. Like, is that a scooper? That would have been so convenient, because now I feel like I'm gonna be wasteful. Let's try to do this without. Well, we made a mess, guys, but here we go. Oh. That was interesting. I don't know, but my teeth feel clean though. I don't know how I feel about putting it on my tongue. I didn't know what to do. That was such a weird that was such a weird experience. But my teeth they feel clean. We'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna do this for the week. Let me clean up this mess and I will check back in with y'all. Okay, so it has been a week that I've been using this tooth powder. Man, was this an experience. I've never personally used tooth powder before, and I just didn't know how to go about really using it. You know, it's very strange, very different. Let me just touch on the pros and cons. So for the pros, I felt like my teeth were so clean and I was so confused by it, just because I wouldn't think that powder would help clean, but yeah, my teeth felt so clean. I just loved that it is a minty flavor. They don't really have any other ones. I was thinking that they had another flavor, but I was probably looking at something else. You already know, if you watch my channel, I'm so big on fluoride-free products, and this tooth powder is fluoride-free, and it also is $8. For those who don't know, most fluoride-free toothpastes, they're kind of pricey. They're on the expensive side. A couple things that I didn't really like about this product was that I was really hoping there was some type of utensil to use, so that way I could put it on the toothbrush. Y'all seen I was struggling just trying to figure out how to, and I just don't like that you can waste so much of this product, and I'm not really a fan of wasting any products. Oh my gosh, and that's another thing, like sometimes I really be struggling to open this up. Like the side will pop up and then it'll close, and then I'll have a hard time opening it. But you're supposed to just twist it open. I don't know, that's another struggle. And another thing, I could feel it again, but if you don't fully clean your mouth, it will feel like sand, like little tiny pieces of grains or sand is just, and that's so cringy. The website emphasizes a couple of ingredients that are beneficial in this, and I'm going to butcher the pronunciations. The first one is calcium hydroxyapatite, and that says it helps protect the outer layer of your tooth and help rebuild tooth enamel. It's really good for cavity prevention. There's the hydrated sodium calcium aluminosilate. I don't even know. It's good for absorbing bacteria and it's good for oral hygiene. Then there's aloe vera concentrate in it that helps with cavities. And then another thing that I noticed in these ingredients is stevia, and I've always known for that to be a sugar, so I'm kind of confused on why it's used for a tooth powder. In regards to the delivery of this product, super fast. They are again based in the United States, and I got this and the other product within a week's time, so it's pretty good for a company to ship it fast like that. I will link the company's socials and their website information below. You'll see that they're just all 4 natural products, and they emphasize that they use, well, they're a company that's big on being cruelty-free, aluminum-free, paraben-free, all that good stuff. This definitely was an experience. I would give it like an 8 out of 10, only again because if it had a utensil, that would have been perfect to use, so that way it minimizes waste. And if like the cap was just a little bit better, I think I prefer toothpaste honestly after trying this out. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all in the next video.